Yes, I'm Filipino. Filipino. I'm just computing the grocery list. How much the income? Are you seeing top? Are you doing? I just compute the how much the income. Ano yun?
Ay, yung kape na. Kara isa.
4 po.
Dalawa. Tatlo kaya.
3 na?
Kaya tatlo daw.
Pero bili ako uling. Ano yung 20? Pagkita ko sa iyo.
Nakuha mo naman ay yung tubig tsaka
21. Bili ko naman. Ano, magkano yan? Kuha lang pera. Ano yun?
na ano ko na.
21.
Dalawa yun na kung
46.
dalawang items lang naman.
Ano nga? Uling yun, tsaka yung tubig.
Oh,
Bali 46.
25. Ah.
Kasi di ka may utang ko sa piso. Ano na piso para 45.
Sige, sige.
Diba tayo?
Andre, anong oras na? Nak, gising na si Papa?
Risa,
Po,
tawag mo nga ako kay Pablo.
tanongin mo kay doon sa apo mo?
Oo, tatanong ko kung sasama siya sa akin sa linggo. Tsaka pabila ko ng shirt.
Sino na nga na? Francis?
Oo.
Tapos, ano pa?
Isang
Sir,
shirt.
₱9. Ayan, sakto na to.
Ano ginagawa ko?
Cannot be reached.
Ano ibig sabihin?
Wala. Out of air, out of signal.
Wala. Ulitin natin. Ginagawa ko na.
Mag-iwan ng comment.
Ano?
Wala. Sa mismong video ko ha, wag dito sa live kasi. Pagkatapos ng live, di ko na makikita yung mga comment nyo.
Magsusugal to. Laking totoong ito.
Nagsusugal. Ba't nagsusugal?
Yun ang habi
Bawal
niya.
magsugal. Kaya.
Wala ito.
Busy ba? Sige na, titimpla ako ng aking coffee.
Napatawag kay Ka-Arday. Tatanong ko kung matutuloy ang pamamahayag kasi umuulan dito. Wala akong makakasama sa lingguan. Dalawa ko kay Michael. Ewan ko si Pabebe kung ito yung wala pa, nasa Kalamba pa ito eh. Ako lang yun eh. Masok ko ito eh. Kasi ginagawa. Pag na, magtimpla ka na ng tapos mo eh. Matutuloy ba ang pamamahayag?
Titimpla lang ako ng kape. Diyan lang kayo.
Ano? Ano? Anong oras?
Timpla ng kape. Masarap magkape kapag naulan.
Aga, 4:30. Saan doon? Sino?
Why? Natatai ka? Coffee, not a
Yung
pop,
doon kailan
not a pupu. Coffee, hot coffee.
kayo ni tao ka? Ay, mag-asawa? Dodoktrinahan mo na?
Wait for a while, I will make my coffee.
Kala ko ba dyan na pipicturan? Saan ang pipicturan? Dito sa amin? Sa akin? Sino tatawag? Okay. Hindi ba pwede dito sa akin na lang? Okay. Talaga tatawag ka. Text man. Mamatay man si Batman. Sige na. Sige.
Andre, kumain ka
Mas water pa lang naman eh.
Kumain na kung katino pa ng gabi. Time to drink.
Sige, sige na.
Anak, katino ka na ng gamot. Magpaubos ka ng isa.
Lisa, may bigas ka na?
Ay, kilit mo yung tubig.
Bukas na ako bibili kung may bigas.
Ay, oo, magtatakal pa lang ako mamaya-maya.
Jasmine, Hasmine.
Hasmin pa din.
Bukas na lang.
Ah, sige, sige. Magtatakal ako mamayang gabi. Magbabaon ka ba?
Subong, apa? Pag nakulay na lula, ganyan, hikain ka pa rin naman. Ulan yun kasi masaway. Ulan na, magpapaulan pa. Kasalanan mo. Ano mo sa school, nagpaulan ka?
Hindi. Sabi ko yung pumasok ako, tapos umuwian, umulan.
Hindi nagpaulan ka ng umuwian.
Hindi may dalang payong. Dalang payong ko yan.
Paano ka naulan na? May payong.
Sabi lang niya, umulan, umuwian niya.
Basta daw niya, sabi niya kanina.
Yung bag niya lang. Kasi siyempre naakyat. Tapos yung siksikan sila sa loob. Pinalipat ko sa kabila. Pero naiwan ko. Pero naabot pa din.
Wala taon pa lang si Clint. Mag-uwan pa lang. Grade 4 lang siya, di siya pa lang niya.
Kinder ka talaga sa daycare. Pare-parehas talaga kayo.
Doon na yan, di ba? Pero sa barangay parang hindi yun. Parang hindi na kami barangay.
Pandemic! Kaya wala kinder nun, nag-kinder sa sila kinder.
Kaya minutes niya. Kaya may nagtataka ako dyan, walong taon na siya. Magwawalo pa lang, pero dapat ngayong birthday niya, magnanay na siya kasi hindi pa na siya. Mag-iig pa lang. Ganun ang nangyayari. Kaso may nalulay malakas ka doon, hindi pwedeng kaalaga.
Dapat
kasi
pala
wala
ngayon,
na-
nasa grade 2 pa lang siya pa.
Aaway pa kaya. Wala na. Yan, tuturuan kita. Kuha ka ng sabon. Bababad ka. Gano'n mo lang. Tapos titignan mo pag puti. Titignan mo yung may dumi. Gaganunin mo. Kailangan mo pa rin ipaayos pa rin yung homework. Yung mga ano kasi doon, picture na doon yung picture sa isis na kailangan ko. Nahanap ko sa cellphone ko, wala man lang naka-save to phone niya sa mga picture. Ano man si sana nito ma? Mag-seduce na. Kukuha na tayo na kung pakain naman. Nabos mo yung tubig na? Mm.
Opo. 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 Eh? Opo. 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 Opo.
Yan na pala. Apat na page to, ano?
Opo.
Meron pa ata pa. Meron pa ilan? 12. Ay, 12. 13 pala. Ano pa?
That's milk.
Dutch milk.
Dalawa. Offer na lang, dalawa.
Ito. Ah, 18 plus 17 plus 17 plus 5. 65.
Yan.
Opo. Oh. Kaya nga, gusto ko siyang tanggalin dyan. Paano ba tanggalin dyan? Unpin. Yun. Nasaan na siya ngayon? Anak? Sandray, andyan yung kulay violet kung ano. Oo. Hindi, dyan, notebook ko. Diyan, dito, doon. Oo. Saan yung letter D? Hindi ko makita.
ASDF dapat yan, hindi. Wala, ASDF, hindi mo na alam yun. Saan yung susi ng motor?
Hindi ko alam.
Andre! Andre!
Tawag ka ni Papa.
Kuhanan mo ako shampoo pala na. Kulang shampoo.
Asal, punitan mo nga. Bigay mo kay Sandra, iabot niya kay Papa niya.
Kahit ano. Wala talaga. Huwag mo dyan sila rin na. Ayan na, ilaglag mo. Sige. Abot mo pala yun? Sayang na lang kayo man sa labas.
Bakit?
Wala nang sa akin.
Ubus na daw ata.
Magsahin ka na, Asel. Hindi puro kain ka lang ng kain. Magsahin ka rin. Nakakaya naman sa bigas.
Baliw. Mm?
Ang ganda ng Encantada, no?
Mm-mm.
Parang gusto ko na rin manood.
lang naman asil, ano? Pabalik mo na yung plancha nila ate mo doon kasi Tatingin kakala mo artista?
Wala ko, nakahubad ka na naman.
Ba't naginit yung picture mo sa ID mo? Trip mo lang yan? Ilang trip mo talaga? Baho lang yung ilong mo ah. Pabangumain. Hey! Tanggalin mo yung sasak nyo. Meron! Bakit di pa tumulit yan? Ito pala yun, maligtas pala. Kala ko yung di pa tumulit yan. Yan! Trabaho ko kasi atin. Puro ka parcel. Ano? Parcel eh. Trabaho pa rin kasi minsan. Dito dapat. Para kita.
Lagi, exercise ako.
Hatching! Hatching! I understand the Tete official. No, skip ad! Agoy, nantok ako. Sige, panoorin natin lahat ng tataltas.
Lagi magalit ko sa ni Kuya.
Opo. Ganda ng view. Oh.
Panis. Ito pa naman.
Kasi sa labas ka na magsaing ha. Nasaan si? Gamitin ko muna ngayon anak yung mga yan. Kailangan kong mag-watch. Nakapag-iwan.
Nasaan yung bigas? Ano ako maghuhugas ng tubig? Ang kaldero, walang malilinig sa tubig. Ha? Yan pa. Sorry.
Bakit?
Ganyan ang talaga. Sanctuary.
Asel,
Wala.
magpabili ka nga sa susunod na sa sauran ni Papa mo ng isang t-shirt mo para isang beses lang tayo magplansya.
Ano dito?
Magpabili ka ng isang blouse mo.
Bakit?
Para isang beses lang tayo magplansya tuwing Sabado or Linggo lang, hindi bawat suot.
Pwede naman yun kahit di na bumili.
Bakit? Para hindi wash in wear, wash in plancha nga. Yari tayo sa kuryente niyan.
Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, okay.
Once in a lifetime. As you know. Sandray, abot mo nga yung pantahi dyan. Subukan nyo namang tumayo at baka matanaw at baka matanaw ninyo ang tunay na kalagayan ko. Sandra, yung pantahi nga, anak. Sandra, yung pantahi nga, anak. Maganda na yung kanta dyan mamaya. Pinili na sila ng sagisag, asin. Pinili na sila ng sagisag. Dumikit na sa kanila, di ba?
Bukas! Eh, bakit ngayon lang ibinigay? Ang field trip, anak, eh yung pupunta kayo sa mga lugar. Halimbawa, pupunta kayo sa lugar na kung saan gumagawa sila ng soft drinks. Yun, pagawa ng soft drinks, ipakikita nila sa inyo kung paano ginagawa yun. O di kaya naman, pagawa ng ice cream. Yan. Ang sabi dito, sa museo pang bata kayo pupunta. Hindi pa ako nakapunta doon, pero ang alam ko sa museo, marami kayo makikita. Kasi yung ay, kasama pumunta doon. Eh, kasama namin mo, ha? Ito.
Please recite 2 Samuel 22, 1 through 7. 2 Samuel 22, 1 through 7. And David spoke to the Lord the words of this.
Asel, ginatungan mo yon?
Ha?
Ginatungan mo yun sa naing?
Shining like a butterfly. Yo, gonna be, it's gonna be.
Ano na naman? Ngayon ko lang ginamit yan, ha? Ngayon ko lang ginamit. Mas ayos kayo.
The waves of death become a sea. The torrents of destruction assailed me. The cords of Sheol became a me. The snares of death confronted me. In my distress, I called upon the Lord. To my God, I called. From his temple, he heard my voice, and my cry came to his ears. 2 Samuel 22, 1 through 7.
Ako naman. Magkaledon? What? Magkaledon? Oh,
Grabe nga guys, at nag-iba na natin sa pabasang bahay. Agad na natin namin pinagbabaklas ang mga yero dito. Umalis nga din ako dito para uwi sa bahay namin. At pagbalik ko nga ay 4x4 na habang ginagawa na ang bahay dito. Hindi siguro siya makapaniwala na ginagawa natin ang kanyang bahay. Nalipas nga na mga ilang oras ay umatak na nila. Kaya naman lumog na
Bawal ka computer!
sinundo ko na nga din pala yung dalawa kong kasama kasi uuwi na din kami.
Nanood lang naman ako.
Ito ang gawa ng malakas na ulan. Ayos na!
Mama.
Okay? Alis ka din dyan. Pwede pa inalpas. Pwede pa inalpas. Nilalagay natin mo sa lolo dito kaya naghahanap siya ng kape. Hindi ko na nga rin siya nabigyan dahil sa mga oras na yan ay talagang
Ikaw ba? Ay, hindi. Marizal din.
Ha?
Akala ko ito ka. Marizal. Penda. Kasi Marisa. Nagsaya ka ng segundo. Okay.
Naubusong content sa mga vlogger ngayon ang tinatawag na mukbang. Kung saan tinapakam at pinaparinig pa nila sa kanilang followers ang kanilang kinakain.
What's up, kita ka pala. Alis ka sila din yan. Kakain ang super cool. Tadaan! Yan, okay.
Meron pa rin ba ang mukbang video? Ito. Sa halip kasi na mapapasabi ka ng yummy, mapapasigaw ka na. Yummy!
Kakainin ko yan. Hindi ka makakain. Makita, kailangan pa yan.
Ang kinakain kasi niya, mga buhay na hayop at insekto.
Malapit.
Dahil parang ginawa niyang spaghetti ang mga buhay na wala.
Yuck!
Ang buhay na butike, tinimplahan pa niya ng toyo at suka.
Dami. Dami. Drenita, oh.
Hari po, mga basura, everything, isang basurero, dito sa Korea, at ngayong araw-araw, meron na po anak, busy, i-share ko sa inyo mga basura. Alam niyo ba, natandaan niyo ba yung pinarong alin, first, bigyan na tayo ng isang bahay box. Sagot niya lahat doon, sagot niya yung box, sagot niya yung shipping fee, wala po daw sa kahit po gano'n, ang dami ko na gagawin. So, para sa inyo ba yung lahat? Samahan niyo ako natin mga basura. Kaya itarap ko ang opportunity na to para mapagbigay sa inyo ng tuwa at blessing at same time na naman at nakagalaw ng mga bagay at mga gadgets na ay maglagay para pagkakit box at ibigay sa inyo kaya ang talagang gusto mabilis ng pala ko kasi since late mo nga kayo madali na yung oras kaya tutuloy ko na magpapagod ako kaya sobrang dami talagang ginamit sa bahay ko natin
I decided to ask him to be even louder.
Sure, I can do that. Why? You like it, babe?
He thought it turned me on, but I didn't do it for myself. I asked him for his consent. Guys, may bago na naman pinabili sa akin. Sinabi dito sa TikTok siya. Dahil ang dami-dami naman dito, try namin. Balik kasi syempre. Naipas sila ng shade. I got this vaccine. Guys, pagkagaling ng walls and that's why it's not anymore. The only thing that's edible is the Siyempre, hindi lang sa akin. Cellphone mo yan. Naku, bakit ka na naman? Hindi ka kapit ng gamot. Teka, ikukuha kita. Oh, hindi mo kagad to, no? Papaglagan tayo bukas. Opo, Marcy, ito sa'yo. Magkano ka sa mga matatanda, ha? Kahit hindi ko ito kilala, bakit ka matanda sa'yo? Huwag ka sumasagot. Ano po? Ano po? Ano po? Yan, tama yan. Wala ka sa nakakatanda. Ay, mali! Akala ko matanda na kayo. Kung kasi kayo matanda. At least, hindi ako maliit. Brad, tingnan mo yan. Diba? Pinsan ko yan. Gumalang ka.
And so, ito yung mga napamili natin kanina sa Jollibee. Ayan, meron tayong mga drinks, meron tayong dito
na nga yung pusa!
chicken at marami pang iba. Meron tayo ditong burger, champ. Ayan. Hi guys, so pupunta tayong Jollibee ngayon at yung order natin lahat ng nasa menu ng Jollibee. Oo, so sobrang kasi gustong gawin ng challenge na to. Finally guys, magagawa na din natin siya ngayon. Sakto-sakto sa subutan na ako. Okay? Okay, so ito na yung mga napamili natin kanina sa Jollibee.
Ano na yung pusa?
Best chicken. Bumili din ako ng burger steak. Ano itong isa? Burger steak na anong flavor ba to? Basta ibang flavor to, hindi ko na matandaan. Chicken fillet. Tapos, bumili din ako ng chicken with spaghetti. And sobrang sarap to guys. Kasi itong chicken guys, spicy to. Meron din tayo ditong palabo.
Sandra, hanapin mo yung pusa. Bilis. Ano pusa? Ano yung pusa? Sarang gulay lilipas sa karamitan. Wait lang. Sarang gulay lilipat. Ang gulay lilipat sa kailangan. Dito lang panisigaan sa nakaraan. Yung puso na ganda. Parang amihan. Di pa kulit. Kakay. Ano yung pusa? Sarang gulay. Gulay lilipat sa kailangan. Ang makakay. Signal tayo. Parang amihan. Sandra yung pusa! Ayan, yes! Ay, nalisa yan. Wala ka ulit ng lalaki. I get one. Wala saan ka ulit na. Ako magtayo kuya. Sinarayin niya ngayon para lang. Ayan, hindi ako ganun. Pinanood mo na ba? Napapakaas ka na lang sa mga ng ate. Akala ka na akalain sa mga lola. Tanser, halika! Tama eh.
Natrip ka kay Nay, kala mo ha, naisahan ka namin.
Sarang gulay lilipat sa kailang kalamitan. Paano gulay lilipat sa kailang kalamitan. Paano sa ating nakaraan. Nagulay lipat sa kailangan hitap. Paaraw ng mabas sa tinakaan. San manta?
Natrip ka kay Nay, kala mo ha, naisahan ka namin.
At yung isa pang trip na ginagawa namin dahil, kung may dumadaan na tao, kunyari ang nangarangan namin ng imaginary na tali. Parang ganito.
Sandre, may nabili!
Ay,
Sandre, may nabili ata!
nating trip. Anong trip naman yun? Eh, di yung imaginary tali. Yung
bigyan
mo! Kunyari, may tali na nakaharang. Sige, gawin natin yun. Ay, mga pre, ayun na, may padaan na. Ay, mga pre, buksan na, magdaan na kayo, may tao na. Okay, pre, ito na. Pre, i-anak mo na yung tali, dadaan si Manong. Okay, pre, ito, i-anak mo yun. Ano kaya ang ginagawa niyo mga bata? Alam niyo daanan pa eh, haharangan niyo pa. Sorry po, Manong. Talaga si Manong eh, wala namang tali. Ay, mga friend, nadadaan ko ulit, nakaparik. Bilisan niyo. Okay, sige, friend. Ano, nakaparik mo ko.
Pasok ko din! Pas!
Kasi hindi ko nakikinig. Sorry po naman. Muna pa ako kasi dyan, nakatawa mo.
Bakit na? Hindi pa nga! Bilis! Bilis! Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Ay, mga pre, tingnan niya to. Bakit? Ano yung jacket? Tingnan niya to. Pag binatama ko sa inyo, bibilit pa sa damit niya. Hindi mo talaga ba? Oo nga. Ito, tingnan niyo. Bakit? Gumisip na talaga sa damit ko. Tara, magpakuhan tayo nito. Okay, sige, maganda yung naisip mo. Tara na. Grabe mga pre. Ipapapalaki ko sa balat.
Yan.
Hirap pa tanggalin sa damit isa-isa. Okay, so guys, welcome back to the video. As you guys can see today, we're back on 99 Nights in the Forest, and I'm joined by my friend Brooke, who's all the way over there. In today's video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going undercover as complete noobs on 99 Nights, and we're going to be trying to find some like really high day players on 99 Nights to carry us to 100 days. And once we get a game, I'm pretty much going to like lock in with my first off, and we're going to just like absolutely carry our team, just get outfits, outplays, and just like hopefully get some really good reactions, just like really lock in and just sweat out the game. And yeah, hopefully this goes pretty well. We're going to get some fun reactions, and let's just go ahead and get right into it. We are now back in the game as my young Chin 37. Hi. Okay. Are we in? No, this is bullshit. This is totally right.
Oh, I had said something.
Okay.
Hello?
Yep.
Give me a game.
No, guys, can you? Okay. I think we got our people now. This is the game to win. Okay. Rude, are you ready?
Yeah, I mean, like, I can't. They're not hearing me in voice chat, though.
No, I'm not talking to voice chat either. Oh, don't talk, because I'll know it's you, obviously. They'll obviously know it's you.
Okay, wait. So we just drove the game.
Yeah, let's just do it. Let's just run it. Okay, we're in the game. Okay, how to play. Your young Tim's gonna act like a total bot right now. I guess we're deafened up for some reason. I thought we were gonna do this with voice chat, but we're actually deafened up. What did you just say? Save the wood. Alright, save the wood. Okay, say less. Okay, so now, I guess we're deafening, so let me just deafen this real quick. Okay, so now we're going undercover as complete noob. I'm undercover as young Tim 37. Alright, I'm just acting like a total bot again. Like stack it up. Okay, no problem. Chop down some trees. We cut it down. Yes. Okay. So what do we? I don't know. We do the wood. I'm gonna act like a total bot. Oh, we put it in the fire. Okay. All right. Sick. But why am I actually like genuinely IRL trying to pretend to be a bot? Okay. I want to try to be a noob. Let's just put some stuff in here. You know what I'm saying? Just act like a total bot. I'm still just going to tree. You know what I'm saying? This is going for a tree. I'm just stealing a tree. Yo, hey, by the way, guys, you know what I'm saying? You guys like this shirt? You know what I'm saying? I got a bunch of merch for sale, like 99 Nights merch on the site. Check it out. This is actually one of the shirts that I'm selling on my group. I'm scared of the year. It's a pretty fire shirt. You know what I'm saying? Don't be so impressed. Oh, show me phone, guys. No problem. I got you. All right, let's run it. Dude, they don't even know it's me because my actual name is Roblox Gear 29. What is this guy? Rook? You want me to use axe and kill the wolves and bunnies? Me and Wolf undercover. What is Wolf? Okay, we're just like a total bot. I'll act like a total bot. Ooh, wait. So show me what the wolf is. Wolves? Okay, me know what wolf is. Show. You gotta show me what that is. Oh, she is. Okay, yes, it's the wolf. I see. Alright. Oh, she got a gun. Okay, she. Thanks. Alright, so we get meat from that. Yeah. Alright. I got it. Okay, nice. Why did Root say you? What does a bunny do? This has to be the worst like undercover video anybody's ever watched. We need to put it on fire. Oh, yes. Me do that. I watched my Big Bro play before. You get like good stuff. Yeah, I just want to let you know. I watched my Big Bro. Alright, you know what I'm saying? Just want to know I'm not a complete bot, okay? Alright, let me lock in. Well, he's not here yet. When does he come to game? Wait, oh, he's not here? We're trying to get over there.
O ano na naman yan? Buda ha! Hindi ako natutuwa sa'yo.
Me do that. I watched my big bro play before. You get like good stuff. Yeah, I just want to let you know. I watched my big bro. Alright, you know what I'm saying? I just want to let her know I'm not a complete bot, okay? Alright, let me lock in. Well, he's not here yet. When does he come to game? Wait, oh, the poker? Oh, goodness, my God, he doesn't know what poker is. Oh my God. Yes, I got a badge. I don't even know what badge I got, but like, I got a badge. I'm gonna kill you. By the way, everyone here is like 100, 200, like 500 days. I'm pretty sure it's actually a really good game. So, you know what I'm saying? We should actually get some.
Pauwiin mo nga muna si Buda. Mamaya siya naman ang nagkasakit. Lintik na yun. Ano? Wait lang.
Today, I am going to be becoming the #1 Steel Grey Rock player in the entire game. Now, let me explain. Pretty much, in this game, if you guys don't know, there is a leaderboard over here where you can see who is the #1 player who has the most points. Check it out. Right now, the #1 player is this guy who has 99.99 E plus 102 coins. That sounds like a lot of coins. There's literally letters in the number, so that's how you know it's big. But today, I am going to be taking this #1 position and becoming the #1 leaderboard player, all to mess with my friends. Now, you may be asking, how exactly am I going to be becoming #1 on the leaderboard? Right now, the #1 person has 99.99 blah 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 dollars, and I only got $16 trillion. Only 16 trillion is still a big number, but I actually have a secret method that lets me get coins super duper easily. So I was talking with the owner of the game, and he actually gave me this little command that I can use. If I just open up this command menu over here and type in the command set money, I can just set my money to whatever number I want. It's kind of insane. I can just type in 10000000000, and boom, now I've got, oh, hold on. Now I've got $10 billion. I think I just lost money. Let me go ahead and run that command again, except with some extra zeros. And okay, now I've got $10 trillion. Let's run it again with an extra zero at the end. Boom, now 100 trillion. You get the idea. Pretty much, I just have to add numbers to the end of this command to get past this guy on the leaderboard, and then all of my friends are gonna freak out. All right, well, we better get to placing some zeros. My friends are all in this lobby right now. They're just playing the game normally. They don't know what's about to hit them. Let me go ahead and actually change all these zeros into nines. I think this is gonna be a much bigger number. Let's just spam a bunch of nines. There we go. And okay, I don't even know what this is gonna be. Hopefully this doesn't break the game, but let's enter. Now we've got 10 SP. 10 SP. Hold on, there's already people on the leaderboard who got 10 SP who are over here. I've got 10 SP. Right now, the number 8 person on the leaderboard has 9.99 SP. I've got 10 SP, so I guess that puts me in the number 8 spot. But I'm really have any crazy letters in our numbers though. We don't have E plus. I want to get an E plus in my number, so let's go ahead and keep on adding nines. All right, I just added like 5 more nines. What number are we gonna get now? Ooh, 100 DC. I don't even know where on the leaderboard I would rank now. Okay, you know what? This is gonna be a little crazy. Let's go ahead and copy this entire sequence of 99999. Let's paste it in again. Okay, hopefully this doesn't crash the entire game. I'm just gonna go ahead and enter this in. I'm actually kind of nervous. I feel like this might break the game or something. What? It didn't even break the game. It only added like an extra like 2 letters to the end of my thing. We've now got 10 DVG. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to spam so many nines. All right, let's add a couple more nines. There we go. Let's enter that in. And boom. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. We now have 100 E plus 46. Now, I don't know about you, but 100 seems like a bigger number than 99.9. So I think this officially makes me the #1 player in Steal a Brain Rot. Just to secure my spot, just to make sure that my #1 spot is reinforced, let's go ahead and add another 9. One another 9 at the end of this, and hit enter. And oh my goodness, okay, we've got, wait, hold on a second. We went down to 1E plus 47. Yo guys, I'm not gonna lie, I do not know how to read these. I'm pretty sure this is written in like scientific notation. I don't know if my number is higher or smaller than the #1 person. We're gonna need to add a couple extra 9s. More 9s, there we go. All right, now we're back to 100E plus 50. This looks good. Let's add a couple more 9s just to be 100% certain that we're good. Just a couple extra at the end over here. There we go. And okay, you know what? I think we have reinforced our position so to be the #1 person. Now, all we gotta do to show up on the actual leaderboard is just leave and rejoin the server. And okay, here we are. We're loading back into the lobby, and we are in. Let's go see if the leaderboard is updated and if I'm #1 up there now. Okay, this is actually so exciting. We're walking up, and what? I'm my #3 on the leaderboard. Yo, this is rigged. It says 100 E plus 64 down over here, but up over here it says 99. Okay, maybe the leaderboard can't display the number 100, but look, we're still super duper close to actually being #1. We've got a plus 64 at the end of our number. The second place person has a plus 94, and the #1 person has plus 104, which means that we just gotta add a couple more 9s. Oh, they can.
Are you gonna play the game? Because you've just been playing alright. You haven't even said I did any of it.
Oh yeah, I was just really focusing and just really trying to concentrate on getting the best brain routes. Yeah.
Wait a second. Is that you?
Okay, I may or may not have a secret to admit.
Dad's here? Oh, I didn't even know that you were here. What do you think? Are you on the leaderboard?
Dash is number 40 on the point leaderboard. How'd you get so much money? What the? 3rd place?
So, guys, I may or may not have been doing a little bit of grinding.
Wait, hold on. So if you're 3rd place, how much money do you even is that number?
I'm not gonna lie, I don't really know how to read it either, but guys, I'm aiming for 1st place, okay?
Wait, how did you even get there? Because yesterday you were at like $10 trillion. How did you go so high up?
Well, guys, I just did a little bit of grinding. I don't know what to tell you.
No way. Oh my god, that's
Teach you the method?
Can you let me borrow your brain rats for like 1 day?
teach me the way to
Yo, guys, there's no but Ed Kid. You better stay away from my base. You better not be stealing anything.
I don't see anything. I just want to understand the risk.
What's going on at my base, alright? Nothing suspicious here. But, guys, I don't even know why you're impressed. This is #3. #3 is just like, you're the 2nd loser. #1 is the only winning position.
Yo, number 3 is crazy. The most rich person in this entire game. What do you mean?
I'm aiming for #1, so I gotta get back to grinding. I'll see you guys later. I'm going back to my base.
Okay.
When do you think you're gonna get #1?
Soon. I just gotta keep collecting my money. Yeah, just gotta keep doing that. Look at this. Whenever I collect my money, it says -0. I think my money that I'm collecting from these brain rots is too small to even register in the game. But anyways, you gotta keep on grinding for #1 on the leaderboard. I know I'm technically using commands to get #1 on the leaderboard, but this still feels like a grind, so I'll take it. Anyways, nobody's looking. Let's just go over here and alright, back to the command. Set to money, and then we gotta go ahead and start slamming some 9s in there again. I'm just gonna copy and paste this giant 9 number like 6 times. There we go, and oh my goodness, I think I may have broke the game. Yo, look at the money counter. It says -NANINDE plus INF. Yo! Okay, hold on, let me explain. NAN means not a number. IND probably means index. I don't know what that means. And then plus INF, that means infinite. INF stands for infinity. Wait, so hold on, did I break it? Do I have to lower the number, or am I officially #1? Let's try reloading to find out. Okay, I'm back in the lobby. I'm just waiting for the leaderboard to refresh now. It is loading. This is good. This is very, very good. Come on. Show me #1. Here we go. Are you serious? Wait. No. This cannot be happening right now. I'm not even on the leaderboard anymore. Okay, guys, I think I kind of broke the game. Okay, hold on, guys. I was not expecting this to actually be such a difficult challenge. It seems like I have to get the number that I set my money to exactly right. If I set it too high, then I'm gonna get -IND. So that doesn't even count. But if I set it too low, then I'm gonna be below these guys. So we really gotta play our cards right right here. Okay, let's go back into the set money command. I need to be number 1, or else Baby Dash is gonna be disappointed in me. So I'm just gonna keep on spamming some 9s. Let's get back to an actual number, not just nan infinite. Okay, there we go. Let's paste that in a couple times. All right. We've and we hit nan infinite. Okay, let's try deleting some 9s at the end of this. Hold on. Look at this. We're at 100e plus 100. We are so close to number 1. We just gotta get above 100e plus 200. Yo. One more zero. Is that gonna do it? I think we did it. We're at 1e plus 1. Wait, no, we're not. We did not do it. Hold on, we need 4 9s. There we go. Another 9 at the end. One more. There we go. Another 9. One small step for me. One huge step for mankind. We are almost number 1 on the leaderboard. Here we go. We're so close. Just slowly adding up. Are you kidding me? Yo, guys, it looks like this guy over here is actually at the highest number of money you can be without breaking the game. I gotta delete a 9. If I add another 9 from here, it's gonna break the money counter. If I add a 1, that breaks it too. How can I do this? We're gonna go play our cards right here. Okay, what if I add like... What if we replace the last few digits up here with 1s instead of 9s? Will this work? We did something. Look, our number is the same as this guy, but I don't know if this guy went in and added...
Greg, i-check mo tong cellphone mo. Baka mamaya may assignment kayo.
Okay, wait, hold on. I have an idea. I'm gonna copy...
Wala ba kayong assignment?
...and put it into a character counter website. It looks like this is 300...
Wala naman sinabi sa inyo, di ba? Pumasok naman kayo.
308 9s. We put 309 1s. Well, 1 and then a bunch of zeros. Will this let us get to a higher number? Let's find out. Okay, I just meticulously...
Ilan daw?
309 characters.
bago matulog, may papainom ka sa akin.
We hit enter and...
Oh, man.
It worked! Look! It worked! We have 309 characters inside of our money. This guy over here probably only has 308. Alright, now let's try relogging. Let's see if this works. Let's see if we're actually number 1. Alright. I'm back in the lobby. I just relogged. We just gotta wait for this leaderboard to refresh.
Sandre!
I'm hoping to see myself number 1.
Wag! Sombrero ka. Punta ka kila Angel.
I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Tanong mo kung may assignment. Tapos kung meron, hiramin mo. Ibabalik din. Pipicturan lang ni mama ka mo, tapos babalik din.
Possibly go without breaking the game. Okay, you know what? Hold on. I think I know someone who can help with this. Alright, guys.
Ay, di mag-assignment ka para makapasok ka na bukas. Papainom lang kita ka mo. Ano gagawin mo? Pipicturan ko nga. Tapos, gagawin mo.
I'm trying to get number 1 on the leaderboard of this Roblox game. Using commands, I can set my money counter to whatever I want. Currently, if I type in 1 followed by 308 zeros, it sets my money counter to 100 and
Baka naman may bibigay sila. Baka nakalimutan nila. Baka kasi nabili Basta punta ka doon, tanong mo kung may assignment. Tapos kung meron, hiramin mo at pipicturan ni mama.
Also, we can't go too high, otherwise it'll say not a number. Alright, hopefully I can help with this. Well, it sounds like you're bumping up against sorted place precision limits in Roblox. Here's how to beat the person who is showing 100 E plus 1 on the leaderboard. Okay, so why you're behind with the same display? Even though both of you display as 100 E plus 1 2, it's likely the leaderboard sorts by the actual underlying value, and his is slightly higher. Okay, try to beat them without getting mad. Just stay barely above the contributing to not a number. Do this. Set your money to... Okay, but wait, hold on.
Direct, baka may nabili ha?
The exact number that we need to type in. 1 followed by 103 zeros. Wait, hold on. Is this correct? We put in 308 zeros earlier and it worked. I don't know. 103 zeros might be too low. I guess let's give it a try. I'm gonna go here, set money, paste in the value that it sent me, and yeah, this is lower. Yeah, that's not working. Right now, the highest value that I can set my money to is 1 followed by 308 zeros. Putting 1 followed by 103 zeros is lower than my current value. Okay, here we go. Hopefully you can help us. Okay, if the highest possible value you can input is 1 followed by 308 zeros, hold on, I don't know what it's saying. Set your money to this. Hold on, I can only use plain text in the command. Okay, let's see. So it just sent me a very specific value. We got 1 Hopefully this is gonna be
Oo nga pala, gabi-gabi ni Angel ginagawa sa
specific
Lumpia.
number, which is hopefully gonna be
Ginagawa na niya?
of what number we can input in here. We got 17976931334.
Wala dun si mama niya?
Great. Let's go ahead and copy this.
Hindi, sinabi ko lang kasi, sabi nga kasi sa akin nung may pasok, bigla pumasok. Yung Friday.
Hiramin mo nga lang at pipicturan ko para masagutan mo. Naku naman anak, simpleng instruction. You don't understand.
This might beat the number one person who's currently on the leaderboard. All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and get into a new lobby. Okay, here we go. Let me relog to see if this works. All right. I just relogged. We're just waiting for the leaderboard to refresh now. Hopefully, I can finally be number one. This has been my dream for so long. Number one on Steel Brain Rot. It actually hasn't, but I think it'll be fine. Anyways, the leaderboard is loading right now. The anticipation. Look at me up there! Number one! Oh my goodness! I'm number one by a long shot. Look, I'm nearly double the number of this person behind me. This is great. Feels good to be the winner. Yep, I totally knew this was coming. I never lose. Anyways, now time for the fun part. Time to go show my friend. Alright, I'm joining back into my friend's lobby, and oh yeah, here we go. Time to show off to everybody here. So, guys, everyone, I've got a big announcement to make. Guys, I have some news. I am no longer number 3 on the leaderboard. No, guys, I didn't reset or anything. I'm number 1 on the leaderboard now. Look at this.
Oh, you're like double the number 2.
Yeah, I know. I'm kind of a beast. Anyways, I think I'm just gonna sit comfortably in my number 1 spot. I challenge anyone to try to beat me. They can't. I'm too good.
Huwag mong damdamin. Bakit?
Let's just say. Oh, also, I use ChatGPT.
Nakakanta lang naman ah.
ChatGPT is my strategic assistant.
Ang iyong pagmamahal ay dalangin sa may kapal nasa isip mo ay mawala ng lubusan.
Yep, you heard that right. I figured out a way to get a brain rot that gives me $1 billion
Sa daigdigan.
different brain rot characters that each give you a certain amount of money per second. You got brain rots that give you $650 a second, $7,000 a second, $5 million a second, but no one has ever gotten
Ay, thank you.
$1 billion a second. That is just absolutely
For the
amazing.
first time.
He actually did me a huge favor and gave me owner commands. Check it out. Using this console over here, I can go ahead and run a bunch of commands, one of which is called spawn brain rot. Pretty much.
Ibig sabihin, wala kayong assignment.
Brain rot from the game that I want.
Ibig sabihin, wala kayong assignment.
Brain rot. I can also go ahead and
For the first time.
and I can also choose its traits. If you don't know, there was recently an update to this game that adds traits to your brain rots. Right now, all of my brain rots, none of them have any traits at all. But you can add traits onto your brain rots, which make them much more powerful. And I kind of discovered a little bit of an exploit. Inside of the command, not only can you add 1 trait, not only can you add 2 traits, you can add as many traits as you want. Which means I can just add like 100 traits and get my brain rot to $1 billion a second. Here's what I'm saying, guys. If I go over here to the computer and just go to command, I'm gonna give this brain rot the taco trait. There we go. Look, we get a brain rot with the taco trait. And this guy gives $120 million a second. But we can give these guys multiple traits. Let me go ahead and just collect this guy on my base. Oh, hold on.
Hi, hello.
I gotta take this thing. We'll go over here and just buy this. Here we go. Alright, so this brain rot over here has 1 trait. It's
I'm busy right now.
adding more traits onto it. Let me clear some
Many work as mom.
Let me just go ahead and sell all of these guys off. There we go. And okay, let's go summon in some broken brain rots. Alright, for my first experiment, let's go ahead and give one of these brain rots 2 taco traits. I'm just gonna write taco twice in the command, and look at this. Now this guy gives $140 million a second. It seems like each taco adds $20 million to the brain rot. Alright, well now that we know that we can start a brain rot with 2 taco traits, what happens if we go ahead and just spin in 1 million taco traits? This is gonna give us an absolutely insane brain rot. Go ahead and type that in, and oh my goodness, we've got a brain rot that gives almost 500,000 a second. All right, but this is not enough. We need to get all the way up to 1 billion a second. Let me go ahead and summon in one more brain rot, and I'm just gonna spam in a ton more taco traits. There we go. We got a couple tacos. Let's send that in. Okay, here we go. Whoa, this thing is really insane. $1.1 billion a second. All right, well, now that we've got this guy in, let me go ahead and tell my friends and just see what their reaction to my $1.1 billion a second grand combination thingy is. Yo, guys, how's it going? What's up?
Oh, hey, Dad.
Yo, what's up?
I'm doing good. I've just been collecting all my money.
Dude, I've got some serious cash. Really? How much cash are we talking? Well, I'm generating a nice amount. I have 69 I got 4.2 bills.
Hey, guys, I just got this new brain rot that gives me $1 million a second. It's kind of insane.
Whoa, $1 million a second. That's pretty cool. Well, guys, hold on. You guys want to see what I just got?
What?
What is it? I just got this brain rot that gives me
Laki ng
$1 million
punit,
a second.
$1 billion a second? That'd be cool if you actually got it, but I don't think that's in the game.
Maybe, yeah, you can.
Yeah, I don't think it's possible, man.
It's like ultra rare. You guys know about the new traits update?
Yeah, like the taco tree.
Yeah, pretty much for every brain rot now, there's like a chance of it spawning with a trait. And I got a brain rot that has a lot of traits on it.
Ooh, wait, that's
Yeah, show it. This is interesting to know when you got one.
Show me your recipe and happy.
Alright, fine. You guys really want to take a look? Just don't steal it, okay? Just come over here, and here it is, guys. $1 billion a second.
Oh my.
What? We have more money.
What the heck is that?
Look at how much money it's generating.
Are you serious? How did you get this?
Guys, I just told you, I just got really lucky. But look, as you guys can see, I've also got this other guy over here that gives 480 million a second. I've got another guy somewhere around here that gets like 120 million a second. These guys are kind of insane.
What?
Hey, hold on, kid. What do you think you're doing? What do you think you're exactly? Hey, I didn't realize your base was so close.
I want it.
I'm getting it. No, Dad.
Yo, guys, I'm not letting you guys take my brain rots. Everybody is doing my stuff. Guys, is this really how you guys are acting? After I show you one cool thing? Yo, kid, guys, this is that you're killing me right now. You're making it impossible for me to show you cool stuff. Give me this thing.
I was so close.
Maybe that, stop him.
Take this.
I'll stop him. I want it for myself.
No, so close.
No, you're not getting that. Kid, you better stay away. You better stay away.
I got it. I stole it. It's mine.
Oh my goodness. Hold on. Which one did you take? Did you really take the $1 billion per second one?
Give me it. I want it. Can we share it?
That's all mine.
Are you serious, Kim? Are you really not gonna give it back? That was mine.
Okay, sell it.
Do not sell that thing.
I'm not gonna sell it. That's so much money.
Give me it. Sell or give me it.
You guys checking it out? Look at it.
Are you serious? Is this really how you guys are gonna treat me after I show you one cool thing? Wow. Alright, well, next time I get a cool thing, now I've learned my lesson. I'm not gonna show you guys.
I know when you're gonna get it. You're one of those things. Once in a lifetime.
$1 billion a second. This is awesome.
And you lost it. Dad, how did you lose it?
Oh, guys, come on. I trusted you guys.
Well, I mean, you've never seen what you beat me.
Oh my goodness, I was not expecting my friends to act like this. Well, you know what? No problem. Why don't I go ahead and just spawn in another one of those things? Except I'm making it be like 10 billion a second. Let's go into our command console again, and we're gonna make this like a really long command. I'm just gonna go ahead and select all of these tacos over here, and I'm just gonna copy and paste them 1 million times. Okay, here we go. This is a really long command. I really hope this doesn't break the game. This might actually break the game.
Asa na si Buda? Cedric, hanapin mo nga lintik na yon. Gabi na, mamay pa siya ng ahas o aso dyan.
Let's go ahead and spawn it in. This thing is gonna be insane. This is probably gonna give like 3 billion a second.
Naririnig ko siya kinalagra kanina eh.
3 billion a second? Okay, that's cool, but not cool enough. I want to get 10 billion a second.
Drek,
Take this out to my base. Well, we don't need it. I'm gonna sell this other one to make
Drek, hanapin mo nga muna.
some more tacos inside of this command. Let's go over here back into our command, and we're gonna need to take a couple more tacos. Just spam in the taco command. There we go. And okay, is it gonna give $10 billion this time? Wait, I think I broke it. Yeah, the text doesn't even show up above the head anymore. I actually broke the game. Is it gonna show up once it goes inside my base? It only gives 5 billion a second. Are you kidding me? What the heck? Why does this one only give 5 billion a second? Okay, we need to try that again. Wait. I think this is the guy who we spawned in. I think I broke something. Well, this isn't good. Okay, let's try that again. Except
Tawagin mo na muna, gabi na si Drake. Baka mamaya mapano pa yun doon sa labas.
It just breaks the game a little bit too hard. Okay, I'm just gonna go back to that command that I used to get a 6
Huh?
billion per second brain rot. And I'm only
Bakit?
gonna add a couple
Gabi na magpapalit ka pa.
Hindi, hindi ko nasusunod yun.
Uwin, suot mo na nga.
Hindi,
Yan naman. Gabi na si Drake. Magpapalit parang ikaw ang naglalaba.
Bring on that gives 7.4 billion. I actually want my base up. Let's add a couple more zeros, and we're probably gonna get to 10 billion a second in no time. Here we go. A couple more tacos have been added. Okay, please don't break. Please don't break. 8.3 billion. We're so close. Okay, before I spawn it anymore, I should probably clear some room in my base. We gotta sell some of these guys. I don't know if it's just me, but I think the game is lagging a little bit because of all these tacos on everyone's screens. Here we go. I just sold a couple of things. Okay, we just need to add a couple more tacos. Here we go. Spam a couple more tacos. And okay, please don't break. I'm running the command. Come on. Moment of truth. 9.3 billion a second. Come on. We just need to get a little bit more. I wonder if it breaks at 10 billion a second. I wonder if that's why this guy over here, bro. All right, let's add a couple more tacos. And then I'm calling in my friends again. I'm gonna flex this 10 billion a second right around then. Okay, here we go. I've added a couple more tacos. Please be 10 billion. Yes, $10 billion a second. This is great. All right, well, let me get this guy all the way to my base. I'm calling in my friends again. Hold on, is he in my base? Where's he at? There he is. 10 billion a second. You can see all the versions. We got 120 million, 8.3 billion, 9.3 billion, and 10.1 billion. So, Cam, that brain rot you got.
Ayan o, naririnig ko siya dyan si Drake o.
What? Are you sure that's a good idea? You know that brain rot you have, it's not even that good.
Isa pang labas mo.
Are you serious? I think it's probably the best brain rot that any of
Maghugas ka na nga ng katawan mo doon. Tignan mo ang dungis-dungis mo.
Well, guys, let's just say I got a little bit lucky again. You guys not watching the computer? That's something really crazy came out here a few seconds ago. Guys, ignore this guy, but yeah, take a look inside. I got a couple $10 billion a second. 21 billion per second? What?
Maghugas ka na ng sarili mo. Maghugas na.
Yes. Wow, these guys are just printing me money. I'm getting like $100 million a second because of my rebirth multiple. This is nuts. No. I'm not even letting you guys come up close to see that because last time I tried to show you guys something cool, you guys came in and stole that from me. Don't block at the base. You guys are not getting out.
please have one?
You guys are not getting one.
You have so many of them. How do you have one to give you 9.3 billion? And when they give you 10 billion too? Exactly.
I just got really lucky, guys. I don't know what to tell you, but yo, you guys better pull this out. I'm not letting you take these. Damn, what do you think you're doing hiding here? That's not working. You guys are not taking the stuff. In fact, let me go over to the shop. I need to buy something real quick.
How much money do you even have?
Got 179.76 E plus 102.
What does that even mean?
What's that? Don't worry about it, but I'm making sure that you guys can never take anything from my base again. Oh, nothing. I'm just buying a couple of supplies. There we go. All right, let me go ahead and just drop off one of these over here. Now, if you guys try taking anything from my base again, this turret is gonna shoot you. Is it working?
Yes, we're not gonna take anything, bro.
What? Oh, look at that! It works. That's sick.
Good friend. Okay, we're
No, you're literally building one of my brain rots right now. You're trying to hide it.
I can see you.
Guys, it notifies you whenever someone tries stealing stuff. Get out of my base. Get out of my base. I don't want you guys in here.
Can't. You're doing something in here.
Give me a sec. I'll open it up. Let me just get one of these slaps over here.
Can I please just have one? Just to borrow it.
Let me allow friends to go through my base and get out of here. Get the heck out of here. I'm out. Cam, where are you? No, guys, it is not your time. Go get out. Alright, well, I guess Coco's staying in here for a bit longer.
Yeah, I'll get out. I won't sleep again.
Okay, fine, Coco. I'll let you out of my base. Let's go to my base. Hold on. I don't think Cam noticed that his base was empty. Let me just take this guy and... Alright, I gotta go. Come on.
I'm locked in this base. I can't do anything. You taking your one? No, stop it, Coco. Don't let it take it.
And I got it. Wow, Cam, where in the world were you?
I'm stuck on the top. I'm second floor of your base.
I didn't even know you were inside my base.
I'm on the third floor.
Get out. You're actually, get out.
I'm on the second floor now.
You're not as locked, bro. I can't even get out.
You're not even on the second. That's it. Get out of here.
please just have one for like 2 seconds so I can get some money
Oh,
and then
bigyan mo ito kay
Hey, you know what, guys? I thought it was going to be a cool idea showing you all my brain rots. It seems like showing you guys all my brain rots is causing more trouble than, you know, improvement. I sold all my brain rots. No, guys, I'm not selling all my brain. You know what? I'm selling all of them. What? They only sell for $500 million, but I think it's going to save our friendship. And you guys, this is causing a lot of problems. I'm going to start off with the $120 million, the second one. So, next up, I'm selling the $1 billion, the second one. This one, I don't need this anymore. Next up, I'm going to sell $6 billion, the second one. Don't need that.
Masabi mo yung papel. Pagati. Okay na to, Sen.
I'm selling the $8 billion one. There we go. Go. Drop it, Cam. Drop it. Everyone drop it. $9 billion sold and $10 billion. Cam, give me that. You guys are not getting it.
Hindi, pakul mo.
Sold.
You know what the change in your game when you do DVDs?
I don't know, I must have gotten lucky or something, but we don't need that. It's just a
Si Drek!
play a sport or something.
Drek! Drek! Iabot mo nga yung tray na yan. Iabot mo sa akin yung tray na itim na yon, pero yung mga papel mo nasa ibabaw, ilagay mo dun sa karton na yon.
That was pretty crazy. If you want to watch the next video, then click on the video on the screen right now. Today I am back on Roblox doing
Mama ka na bukas.
I'm going to be getting infinite luck. Yep, you heard that right. I am going to be becoming the most lucky person ever in this game. And just be getting the craziest brain rots ever. Now, you might be asking, how exactly am I going to do that? Well, recently,
Magaling na lang dapatin si Mama
access to admin commands. Check it out. If I open up this
Napapasok na si Sandre bukas. Nakadalawang araw na nga pala.
Isang araw pa lang talaga siyang absent.
Tapos, bukas.
Using the slash add luck command. So today I figured
Dalawang
with my
araw.
friends with this new command, and let's see how they react.
Ang
So
dami
me
na
and
lang
Ollie with my friends and maybe Ash is here too. We're just gonna be making myself super lucky and see how this goes. Hey baby Ash, not really actually. I've kind of been just really unlucky for the past week actually. I haven't been getting anything good at all.
I got really lucky one day, and then every other day is boring.
Ano na naman yan?
Your stuff got stolen. That's what you're saying.
That is rough.
Gamot yan. Dek, templahan mo din ako.
You go do some brain rot updates.
Ah,
Check if anything good.
I already see a proper Dino Papagino.
I did that.
It's not bad though. They only give 2.5 seconds.
That's somehow where they
Daming tiklop ko.
Tingnan mo ako may sako dun. Sako dun sa ilalim ng tubigan.
I'm not gonna lie, I've actually never used the add luck command before. I don't even know what this thing is gonna do. Let me go ahead and just click it once and okay, it says set. I think I've given myself more luck. Wait a second. Just turn into blue. I don't know what this command does. Do you see this?
We are getting a crazy run.
May sasabihin sana ako.
Oh my goodness, this is nuts.
Masapon ko si Sandre. Ay, cellphone ni Sandre. Sabihin ka dito. Maganda umaga.
Tumigil ka nga.
Try ko lang sabihin mo. Hello, magandang umaga. Ma?
This thing only gets 50,000 a second. This is cool. Okay, you know what's fine, whatever. Let me go into the chat and I'm gonna run the add luck command again. It's gonna make everything even luckier. Let me go ahead and just run it. Oh, it says luck is already set. Remove luck? I don't remember
Maga.
stop luck. Remove luck.
Wait, no, that's mine. Yeah, that was mine.
Ganda. Da.
Guys, stop and look. I don't know how to end this. This is madness. This is so crazy, dude. What is happening? Remove what? No, there's no remove what command. Yo, okay, hold on a second. Guys, you're getting all the good stuff, okay? Please just get like one good thing.
Wala,
This guy.
wala naman da dito da.
So it's an object battle.
Maganda.
I'm taking it. Hey, you better not be trying to mess with my stuff.
Maganda. Paano ang da?
D.
Wala dito yung D. Saan ba hindi dito?
Talagang dito.
Saan ba hindi dito? Ito?
Nakalagay na.
Maganda. Da. Da. E. Da.
It's probably going to be sick. For the duration, let's set it to 1 minute and alright, start. Okay, yeah, but should have begun. I don't see anything. Everything kind of looks the same, I'm not gonna lie. We'll run too low in duration.
Magandang
There we go.
uma.
Execute it.
Ma. Ga.
What the? Yo!
Magandang umaga. Da. Ano naman?
This duration here is
Ito.
seconds. If I want it to last 1 minute, I gotta do 60 seconds.
Ah,
There
oo nga
we go.
pala.
Right, now it's working. I don't know what that was, guys, but everything was shaking around for a moment. Whoa, wait, guys, it's
Yan.
happening again.
Ito.
Wait. Is this like an event or something, guys? I think we might be in an exclusive event right now. Really? No, wait, hold on. Are we gonna get to this?
Sinabi ko magandang. Ano ba sinabi ko magandang umaga?
Nuts, wait, what is this event?
Sa.
Wait, guys, we can pick up the trees. I'm taking this one.
I.
Come with me. What can we even do with the trees? Can I whack people?
Ay, takot
Oh,
eh.
the trees are OP! Hold on, I'm doing the event again, except for 120 seconds. Yo, guys, the trees are gone. Looks like the trees are gone, but I'm still going.
Maga. Da.
What are we even supposed to do with these trees? Wait, hold on. Maybe this is like some sort of secret event. Maybe this is how we get a special brain rod. Right. We're probably to do something with the tree. What do we do with the tree? Let's try all holding trees and roll them all together. Maybe if we all stand next to each other, something cool can happen. Okay, everyone come here and link hands with me. Link arms with me. You want to the trees, you just gotta go next to it and then just pick it up. It's pretty simple.
Da. Magandang umaga. Sa.
Connecting our trees together. This little touching trees. This is great. It's not doing anything though. We need to plant them or something? How does this work? Can I put them in my base? Nope, can't put them in my base. Here's a rainbow machine. Maybe we can put them in the machine. I don't think we can put trees with the rainbow machine. Oh guys, that was pretty cool. But I still want to get some better brain rods. I have like nothing good in my base right now. I got some good ones.
Mauna na close ang tali niya.
Give me that.
Uy.
I'm taking this. This is my cocoa.
Mawala ang iyo dito. Iyo.
Are you serious? No, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, you sure about that? I haven't lost like 0.00001% of my money yet. How expensive even is it now? What the heck? Hold on. I'm going into the shop, Coco. I can't let this slide.
You gave up.
Okay, that's very funny. Very funny.
Get out of here. This is some lost travelers.
Alright, you know what? I think it's time for another event. Let's try spotting in the next event. We can go ahead and do execute event. And how about we do, let's see, the blood moon event. We can do it for 120 seconds. I don't even know what this one's gonna do, but all the guys turning red.
Just mute scouts and you're red for you guys.
Blood moon. Wait, is it this when we get like blood rot? The veins? No! Guys, we can get super rare stuff! Oh, no, I don't want to be so OP! This is nuts, but hold on guys, just gonna pull something I'm freezing you guys, I'm just gonna pull up and grab this thing.
It's not fair.
Hey, I'm just playing the game. Let me go over here into the shop, I wanna buy some things actually. Let me go and buy the paintball gun, the slab, let's see, the laser kit, I'm gonna buy all the OP things that I can buy. And look at this, we're getting such cool looking brain rods. It's a brain rod! It's a brain rod!
It's really good.
Anymore. Really? I didn't think it was not anymore. Interesting.
Akin na, Buddha. Mag-exit na ako.
Exit.